Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to refactor code with Claude Code. Claude Code can help you refactor code by improving readability, reducing duplication, simplifying the logic, and modernizing the code without changing how the application behave or the game or whatever app you've been working on. So it's especially useful for large files, legacy code, and complex functions that have become difficult to maintain. Now, step number one to do is start by understanding the code. Before making changes, ask Claude to explain the existing implementation. So simply, I'm just gonna go ahead and paste my code. I'm just gonna copy paste from here. Create a new chat, paste it, and simply go and go to another break line, and then write down this command. Explain how this code works and identify areas that could be improved. As you can see now, we simply given the code, he's gonna understand it, explain it to us, and give us what could be working better. So how the code works: structure a simple browser game built with HTML5, canvas, vanilla.js, and request animation frame game loop. The core component that there is a player and the ball, and there is a couple of the player and the ball are plain objects holding position, size, and speed. Keys is the directions that tracks which keyboard keys are currently held on, which are right and left. Game loop, input, which are key down, key up, and yeah, that basically is. And here we have the areas of improvement: bugs and correctness. Collision is unreliable. Only the ball's sensor X is checked against the paddle, so a ball clipping the edge can pass through. You should check the pass X, etc., etc. So now what I'm gonna do is to say this: implement those fixes in the code and give me a final result. So now we're simply gonna wait for it to give us the final result, as it's gonna refine and refactor the code with its own new elements, sections, etc. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.